Alright, so we'll just do a walk around here. Fiberglass body. The hood is very light. Could probably pressure wash that hood and maybe do some undercoating on it. Maybe just leave it alone. Yeah. It's very light. Soft doors. The windows are glass. Side doors are just a soft top style door. Don't you just pull that door off? We'll just get it out of the way. There you go.
Lightweight doors.
Lightweight doors, yeah.
The doors open and shut.
Nice. So more wiring issues on the inside. That'll be fun.
And this dash is actually painted, but it is
Part of the tub, yeah.
yeah, it's actually part of the tub. This is just a paint line here. It's all one.
Interesting. Now, if I remember right, the windshield frame is steel. You start
Yes.
that magnet?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah.
Yep, she's steel. Autometer gauges. All of them at one. This is just a knockoff, maybe an Equus, or I say knockoff. It's probably a good piece, but
It's probably
doesn't match the rest, irregardless.
right.
Even though irregardless is not a word.
No, I think it is actually. So we got a tachometer, speedometer, fuel level, water temp, and oil pressure. Now, this steering column, is this Chevrolet? Do you?
Yeah, I was wondering about that too.
I don't think most of them have a tilt wheel.
Yeah, it's fancy. It's got the tilt.
Yeah.
It looks like it at some point it was a nice piece. On the bottom, you can kind of see through all the corrosion, like it was maybe just a bare metal column, but it was originally, supposed to give a
Looks shiny.
yeah, and nothing was ever put on it. I guess we could just clean that up and paint it.
Mm-hmm. That'd be the best thing. Yep. 3-speed transmission. 3 in the floor.
It's got the faux shifter.
Yeah.
Because we are not in any orientation like that. We're over and down for first, center up on second, and then down for third. So we're not anything close to that. Anybody know what these seats are? I'd like to know that. I think they're out of a van.
An old Chevy Astro van or something.
Well, like the big vans, like the G20 or something. Who knows? Maybe an old Ford or something.
Rear seat looks good. We'll see if we can clean it up. Got a custom roof rack up here.
Does.
Yeah. Yep. Ooh, hey, dirt dauber. Sorry I messed up your home.
Not a dirt dauber.
Rear doors are steel. Couldn't open that up.
And here we have the last guy's shoelaces.
Last guy's shoelaces. Yep. Nothing. There's no shocks or anything. Custom gas filler. I'm gonna say whoever put the new gas tank in it last, they decided that's as far as they're going. So, right. Don't know if we can fix that. We'll have to see if that's an option.
Rigid mounted seat.
Yep.
It's adjustable though.
It's true. It is. Is it reclinable? It is reclinable.
How far back you want to go,
Nice.
buddy? We can recline you all the way back to the hood of the car behind you to red light.
Wow. Can't even get that in new ones.
No.
You can go all the way back to the road.
What Volvo does this?
Exactly.
What Mercedes? No. Bentley. Overpriced.
So you can get boot fluid in it.
I hope so. Still have a soft line here. Come around here. Here's our brake line. It's not connected to anything. We'll have to replace the upper brake line. Brake line coming down. So we have the line that goes to the right side. Nothing going over here. Can you see all that over there? So the engine and transmission It looks like the transmission is the original 3-speed to the vehicle. It's a 72. And there's an adapter plate. Let's see if I can get a picture of that right there. So it's a little steel adapter plate that goes from the bell housing to the transmission. If anyone knows what kind of cover I need to get right here, let me know and see if we can cover up the bottom of that flywheel and clutch.
Dual exhaust. No muffler, just right.
Straight pipe.
You can see the underside of the fiberglass body.
Is that why it's so loud?
That's why it's so
That is
loud.
why it's so loud.
Pretty good condition back here.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a little dirty. What were you doing? Do it again. Do it again.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, what are you doing?
The pressure on the tire. Do it again here.
Were you licking it?
No.
Why not?
I don't want to lick it.
I don't know.